Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Now, what about a villainous, I'm sorry, a villainous character? Villainous, c'est quelqu'un de vilain. It's villainous. It's pronounced villainous, quelqu'un de vilain. C'est-à-dire quelqu'un qui a un peu de, pour ne pas dire démonique, mais quelqu'un qui a un peu de, vraiment, c'est-à-dire la négativité, la méchanceté, ça part à un autre niveau. Ça peut être un peu sinistre, quoi. Has a little bit of bad or extreme negativity in it. That's a villain. And so anybody that's a villain, that you feel that is like criminals, for example, could be villain. And so a criminal person that commits crime, comme les criminels qui commettent comme des crimes de, je sais pas, meurtre and all that, sometimes, or Bulgari, you know, so they have a villainous character. And so those kind of people, si tu veux décrire, you can say vicious. Vicious, quelqu'un de vicieux is pronounced vicious. Vicious. Sinister, quelqu'un de sinistre. It's a sinister, qui a des mauvaises pensées, you know, des pensées vraiment sombres, you know, it's sinister. Demonic, quelqu'un démonique. Peut-être parce que la personne soit possède ou bien se comporte comme un démon. Either or, you know, a demonic character. Satanic character, qui est pratiquement la même chose, satanique, démonique, monstrous, monstrueux. He's a monstrous person. Maybe he's done so much bad, so much evil, extrême de la méchanceté. You say he's a monstrous person. Diabolic, quelqu'un de diabolique. Crooked. Crooked, c'est quelque chose qui n'est pas droite. C'est crooked. Quand c'est un peu zigzag, zigzag, c'est quelqu'un qui est crooked. Comme les dealers de drogue, for example, they say they're very crooked people because they're not straightforward. Ils sont pas droits, tout droit au but, quoi. So they're crooked. So crooked, c'est quelqu'un qui est un peu zigzag, zigzag, qui n'est pas droit, you know. Corrupt, quelqu'un qui est comme violent, violent. And it's pronounced vow, no view. It's violent, violent. The I is almost pronounced like an A. Violent person. And then wicked, qui signifie méchant. So, these are some negative and extreme negative terms that you can use, adjectives. Of course, there are others, huh? Yeah, there are others, you know, serial, for example, could be another person. Serial liar, you know. A serial person, serial liar, whatever it is. So these are negative and extreme negatives. And then these are friendly and professional or non-professional terms that you can use depending on the relationship or the situation. Now let's move on to another ball game, appearance. How do you describe someone's appearance? Not the body, but adjectives to describe someone's appearance. Is that person an ugly person? Is he a charming person? Is he an okay person? Okay person, c'est quelqu'un qui n'est pas moche, qui n'est pas wow aussi, mais qui est juste là. It's okay. C'est an okay person. He's an okay. Like, okay. Beautiful, we know that. Handsome, we know that. You know, bel et beau. Cute, mignon. Pretty, mignon aussi, ou mignonne. A cute guy. You can say he's a cute guy. Sometimes you can even say it's a pretty guy. A pretty handsome guy, that people say oftentimes. You know, Isaiah is a pretty handsome guy. He's a cute fella. But you will not say he's a beautiful guy, comme on dit en français, un bel homme. Ça se dit pas en anglais, a beautiful man. Mais en français, ça peut être okay, un bel homme. But in English, you cannot say beautiful man. You would say a cute guy. He looks cute, bien sûr. He's pretty handsome. He's a pretty looking guy. Yes, it is said. Pretty looking guy. Pretty looking. Look is a signifie on regarde. Pretty looking. But never ever say a beautiful man, un bel homme, ça se dit pas. It's not said in English. It would never ever be. You know, of course, gorgeous, quelqu'un de, you know, gorgeous person, dashing aussi, quelqu'un magnifique, ravissante, is, you know, dashing and gorgeous. Somebody, a wow, that you look at, you were like, wow, ravissante, ravissant, it's a gorgeous person, a gorgeous man, you know, a dashing man. Sometimes you can even say a sexy person, you know, if he looks, okay. Exquisite, c'est au-delà de. Exquisite means you're just so fine. You can have even classy, very classy person, you know. Breath, c'est respiration. Breathtaking, ça signifie qu'en anglais, tu as manque de souffle. Manque de souffle. Breathtaking, un manque de souffle. There's a wow that you know. Stylish, très stylé. Stylish. Lavishing, c'est presque comme ravissante. Lavishing. Lavishing, c'est presque avec une grandeur, beaucoup, assez d'argent. I'm living a very lavish life. Ça signifie qu'une vie très confortable, une maison confortable, lavish home, you know, avec des bling bling and all that, you know, beautiful mansion, you know, and things like that. So these are appearances when you look at someone. You say, oh, of course, the negative ones will be like ugly. You know, you can even add charming, very charming. Even though charming could also be for behavior, charming as well. Quelqu'un qui est galant, is a charming person. You know, behavior. Here's a real gentleman. You can also write a gentleman. It's a behavior. C'est un vrai gentleman. It's a real gentleman. C'est un vrai lady. C'est une vraie lady. It's a real lady. Ça signifie que la personne est classy, behaves well, you know, se comporte bien, des bonnes manières. So it's a charming person, a real gentleman, a great lady. Gorgeous, dashing, exquisite, classy. So learn those words, students. Learn them. Pick out at least 4 or 5 of those new vocabularies. J'ai pris la peine de traduire et de donner les exemples que vous puissiez ou bien savoir quand est-ce qu'utiliser. So learn these new words. Build your vocabulary. Il faut construire, agrandir, élargir votre vocabulaire pour pouvoir utiliser ça dans vos exercices. Okay, so depending on the situation. If it's a person, if it's the appearance, if it's the behavior, if it's in a more professional setting or in an informal setting, or if it's just a wicked person that has a bad behavior, what would you say? Would you use the bad or would you use the extreme of it? Because at least criminals, you will not say he's just bad. But if he's a murderer, you would say he's a vicious person. He has sinister ideas. He's a monstrous person, you know, because of the gravity of that person's actions. But if it's just someone that maybe, no, t'as manqué de respect, you say he's impolite, he's rude, he's ill-mannered, has bad behavior, has a bad character. Those are terms that you can use. He's impolite. Those are terms that you can use qui sont pas si sévères. They're not as severe as the villainous. Okay? So use them, please. You know, as far as description is concerned for, you know, behavior and appearance. Now, thank you.
Tape www.suividecole au Sénégal.